finally learning the meltdowns, and this is Daria, the meltdown expert.
La 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 la. In Soviet Russia we call the meltdowns Cosmo. Maybe that's why I like it. In fact, there are many ways to do the meltdowns with the different grips.
But we're going to explain those that don't require any grip changes. Let's start with the right.
I don't like to smile unless I have a reason.
We go from the close grip. This is the same map that we learned in the previous lesson. So your fan goes to the crow's feet. Then instead of going to the starting point, it goes behind your back, does the wave, and then goes to the starting position again. You follow your thumb and then again.
This is my stuff. Got to get off. I make a pop. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Okay. So as for the other tricks, for the meltdowns, you can do them also in the same direction and the opposite direction. Today we'll start with the opposite direction.
In the opposite direction meltdown, each of your hands makes the same move that she just showed you, but in the opposite direction, but at the same time, just like this. So the timing is like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
But in the split time variation, one of the fans is delayed, so it counts like waltz, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Это сон на взлетной полосе. Им не нравится наш внешний вид. То, как ты поешь сейчас бит в толпе, под запущенный с планшета бит. Им не нравится все, что горит, а нам не нравится все, что не бьет. Весна оправдала максимализм, а остальное вообще не ебет.
Pseudo-intellectual poser with accessories from the street fair.
These meltdowns look especially cool when combined with turns. As explained in the lesson on pirouettes, you can do the pirouette from any move once your hand goes behind your back. For example, I do this meltdown, and once my hand goes behind my back, I can do the pirouette. Same thing in the other direction, like this. Or same thing in split time. 1, 2, 3, this goes behind my back and I can turn. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this goes behind my back and I can turn. Something like this.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
You think it's too late for me to learn juggling?
Blow your mind and break your wrist even a little bit more. So we will learn this movement to another direction. So let's start with your right hand with the close grip, but your pinky finger is leading, and it goes across your body and then goes behind your back, and then again. So this is exactly the same movement but in the other direction. And then try to do it with your both hands.
У нее есть подруга Володя, но она никогда не воскресит Курта Кобейна.
In the next lesson, we will learn the classical same direction Cosmo and a bunch of variations.
Subscribe, like, spin fans, small rigs, yeah!
Yeah!